We have division of decimal numbers. We know that our divisor cannot be decimal number. So first we have to move decimal point to the right side to get whole number. How many times we need to move? 1, 2 times. So the same we have to do with our dividend. We move in our divisor decimal point 2 times. The same we have to do with our dividend. 2 times we have to move decimal point. 1, 2. So decimal point will be between 5 and 7. So we can rewrite that this is equal to 10, 9, 5, 5, decimal point 7, divided by 21. And now we can write a long division. We have 10, 9, 5, 5, decimal point 7, divided by 21. And we do like division whole numbers. So how many times we can put to 109, 21? 5 times. So on the top we write 5, and now we do multiplication. 5 times 21 is 105. And next we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't have to write next. We have to take down next digit. It's 5. So we have 45 divided by 21. 2, and now 2 times 21 is 42. And again we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. We don't have to write. What else? We have to take down next digit. 5 we take down. So we have 35 divided by 21. This is 1. 1 times 21 is 21. Again, subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. What next? We have to take decimal point exactly in the same column to our solution, to the top, and we take down next digit. 7. So we have 147 divided by 21 is 7. 7 times 21 is 147. We finish long division, and our solution is 521.7.